Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017 2.4 engine. The ABS control module is located on the right side under the hood, near the brake fluid reservoir. To replace it, disconnect the harness connector, unscrew the hoses, remove one mounting bolt at the back of the control module, or you can remove together with the bracket and replace the module with a new one.